Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Asia, guys. We're going to be talking about what's going on with crypto, what's going on with Dogecoin out there. And guys, I believe this is the perfect time to strike while the iron is hot. Buy the freaking dips, guys, because this is probably going to be one of the last biggest dips before we have the halving, guys. And remember one thing, pre-halving dips are normal. Volatility before the halving is very normal, guys. So we're going to be talking about that and much more, and why I think you should be buying the freaking dips, guys. Go back and watch all my other videos. I would appreciate it. And guys, don't forget, it's crazy. This dip is crazy, and a lot of newbies in the space, a lot of minnows, a lot of paper hands have been washed out. And remember, it's market makers wanting to take your liquidity, wanting to take your coins, your tokens, your crypto from you, cheap, guys. And you know, the truth of the matter is, ETFs, the BlackRock and all the other Bitcoin spot ETFs, they're still buying. So if they're buying, why are you selling? Guys, let's get into it. Remember, all this is financial advice. We did see that not only is crypto down, we did see that also the broader markets are down. A pretty big dump across the board, almost 1% dump out there. That's what's going on. We saw the DXY is coming down, so finally it's coming down. We need DXY to go below 100. That'd be fantastic. That'd be fantastic. Announcements today. Today is the 3rd here in Asia. We've got nothing really big. We do have Fed Chair Jeremy Powell speaks. He's going to be talking about the economy. He's going to be talking about the State of the Union when it comes to the economy, and maybe we'll get some indication if he's going to be hawkish or dovish on the interest rates, because that will have an impact. That will freaking have an impact. Now, I know this is scary. If you're looking at this, and if you've just got into crypto, you're probably thinking, what happened? What happened? You know, we went as high as 73,000. Now we're back down to 65,000. We're seeing everything is bad. Okay, it's bad. Bad. Everything is down. Down. This is normal. This is freaking normal. Relax. Now remember, if you bought Bitcoin at 73,000 and now you can buy at 65,000, that's a discount, guys. That's a freaking discount, guys. So do not panic out there. This is a good time to buy the dips, guys. Show the market makers that you're not going to fall for the whalish games, for the tricks that they're pulling. And a lot of it has to do with the leverage traders. Leverage traders are getting wrecked left, right, and center out there. Fear and greed is down from 79, to be expected. We got 16 days, 19 hours before the next coin and before the Bitcoin halving. Don't forget, we got Dogecoin Day, 420, guys. 420 Dogecoin Day. Also going to briefly talk about a Dogecoin on Solana project that's new, and it could be interesting. Remember, ain't financial advice. Remember, never invest more than you're willing to lose. But it could be one of these Shiba Inu stories where you get in cheap and the thing goes up like crazy out there. So yeah, I mean it's a meme coin, right? Got no utility out there. So that's what that's all about. Tongue tied. So we're seeing that the total market cap right now is right here, 2.47 trillion. We're down about 5.5%. We're seeing that, yeah, it's bad. 5.5%, 6% for Ethereum. BNB is down. XRP is down 5%. Doge is down a whopping 11%. But it's pretty normal. When Bitcoin collapses, you often see that the volatility of the collapse of Dogecoin is much faster. The trajectory, the velocity is much bigger, but also the recovery, right? Also the recovery. But overall, not too shabby. We're still above 18 cents. Cardano is down as well. But guys, look at Cardano. We're still $6 billion more than Cardano's market cap. So it's okay. It's okay. Meme coin market cap right now is at $59 billion out there, and keep in mind that that the Doge Roger is almost half that. We got Doge, we got Sheep, we got Whiff, we got Pep, Floki. Yeah, Floki. We got the Bonkster out there, the Bonkity Bonk. Yeah, so this is all the meme coins, and this just goes on and on and on and on and on. Let's see who's at the end of this list. There. Who's the last? Well, this goes on to the end. Let's see. Let's go all the way to the end. I'm just wondering what's the last meme coin here. Okay. Well, there's even more. Holy smokes! Whoa. Wow, these meme coins, they just go on forever. We got doo-doo. I mean, this amazing amount of meme coins. I didn't realize, guys. I absolutely didn't realize, and it just keeps going on and on and on. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, so you guys know there's a crap ton of meme coins out there, but the king of the memes is, you know who, the Doge warriors. So right now, Doge is at 1824. 1824. We've been seeing that Dogecoin was at was over 20 cents. The last 24 hours has gone down, to be expected. Yeah. So why is Bitcoin dumping? Well, let's talk about it. Let's jump into it. Let's enlighten you. Well, one of the biggest reasons is Grayscale outflows. Yesterday, Grayscale had an outflow of 320 million, along with a net outflow for Bitcoin ETF. So there's net negative yesterday for Bitcoin. Also, the market makers, the leverage traders took that as an opportunity. So excessive leverage, right? Whales always love to liquidate high leverage longs and shorts. Right now, the open interest is at an all-time high, along with positive funding rate, which indicates that there are more longs and shorts. There are more longs and shorts. Yeah, everyone's been going, yeah, we're going up forever. And the market maker said, no, we're going to take your money out there. So they did. A pre-halving correction. Bitcoin always goes down before halving, and the same thing is happening now. That's it. Now, we also talk about macro factors. Bitcoin is recently the negative correlation between Bitcoin and 10-year U.S. Treasury yield. Negative correlation has reached 90%. That means that 10-year Treasury yield is rising, Bitcoin is dropping. That's normal. Yesterday it rose 4.3%, and thus Bitcoin dumped. Okay, so there's also the correlation between the 10-year Treasury and Bitcoin as well. But in my opinion, the main two factors is outflow. There was outflow. Then market makers used the outflow to scare the market, hunter wicks to the downside, excessive longs. So manipulation, guys. So time and time again, we have seen that Bitcoin has been declared dead like a ton of times. It's been declared dead again, but we're only down minus 10%. It's dead. But if you zoom out, Wendy Trendy is your friend, and every time they say it's dead, what happens? Boom. So I'm glad that Bitcoin is dead, because guess what? That means upside, guys. Upside. Remember, Jim Cramer said, no way a million. It's going to happen, guys. Going to happen. Pre-halving corrections is happening now. Once it's over, BTC will go parabolic. Don't get panicked by short-term corrections. Yeah, it's just a short-term correction. There's a little bit of pre-halving dump. Yeah, halving in 2020, the pre-halving dump here, then what happened? Bang. So it's the same thing that's happening, guys. It's the same thing. Yeah, interesting. The 200 EMA on the Bitcoin 4-hour chart has been formidable support. Since early February, it has prevented BTC from dropping further. That's why we just hit the support right now. The 200 EMA is supporting us. Not to worry. Crypto experts say now is the time to get into Doge. And Musk will pump Doge to $1. It's going to happen, guys. It's absolutely going to happen. So I think it's a good time to get into. I think it's a great time to get into Dogecoin. Buy the freaking dips, guys. And Kaleo is saying, look, we could see $12 Bitcoin happening. Dogecoin can hit astronomical high. We're seeing a similar pattern to 2018, 2021. And we talked about this before. This from Ally Charts. You can see here that this is when we went to, when we went up, all-time high. Then we came down right now. But we're seeing that the same kind of pattern. If we overlay that takes us to like freaking $12, guys. $12 freaking dollars, guys. That's like huge mega percent increases, guys. So it's happening. Dogecoin get hit astronomical highs again. People are talking about it. This has been like recirculating over the interwebs, guys. It is happening, guys. So yeah, crypto analyst Ali Morantz says that we could see a 5,900% increase from its current value, guys. It could happen. Let's take a look at the charts. Look at the charts. BTC is down. It's dropped almost 6%. We're seeing a little bit of recovery. We got some major support at 60,600. But I think this area is going to hold support, because that's where the 200-day EMA is. So yeah, let me see if we can find that. Let me get the EMA ribbons. Yeah. So we're being supported by the 200-day EMA right here. So that's not too shabby. I wouldn't worry about it too much, guys. Dogecoin, pretty similar. It's just following Bitcoin out there. Ethereum following Bitcoin. In case you're wondering how many Dogecoin holders are in the money right now, we're seeing a total. Let this refresh. Technical difficulties out there. There we go. Get up there. We're seeing still 80% of the Dogecoin holders are in the money. And if you take a look at the signals, yeah, we're bearish, but we're not like extreme bearish. So not too shabby out there. Yeah, Bitcoin parabolic. Everybody is posting the 1 minute chart right now. Quick reminder: zoom out. Even though we're having a dump ski now, zoom out. You'll see that things are just fine. So sometimes you need to zoom out on the daily. Things are looking okay, guys. As I said, ton of leverage. Mainly longs, 100 million longs wrecked for Bitcoin in the last 24 hours. Ethereum 89. It's just a Doge also longs. It's all longs. It's longs, guys. Take a look at this. All the longs are getting wiped out. Look, longs. If you take a look at Dogecoin, here's my Doge. Also, all longs. Basically, market makers manipulating. So far, Q2 has been a Debbie Downer, down almost 8%. This is normal pre-halving jitters, pre-halving Dumpsky out there. Don't worry about it. Yeah, Bitcoin price dumps 5% after Easter weekend. We'd already talked about why. We talk about BTC outflows. Basically, we're seeing that GBTC had an outflow of 302 million out there. So that's what's going on. So the total net flow was minus 85 million. So that's one of the contributing factors out there. So don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, guys. Be happy. Yeah, so, Bitcoin, Dogecoin right now, it may look like a shit show right now for Dogecoin. What I see is a huge buying opportunity. Pre-halving dumps are normal. Buy freaking now. This is your last chance, guys. Your last chance to buy Dogecoin cheap, guys. If you got your crypto on central exchange, get it off there. Get it the freak off there, guys. Like I said yesterday, this is just a pre-halving dump. This is market makers taking liquidity out of the market. Don't be shaken out, guys. Guys, did you know that mysterious 134 million Doge purchase spotted on Robinhood as price falls more than 12%? People are buying. Whales are buying. Guys, I saw this Doge on Solana. Interesting project. It's a meme coin. It's been released on the Solana blockchain. Basically, it's Doge on Solana. It's just started out. It's a meme. It may be worth taking some of your Moonboy bags. Remember, not financial advice. It could probably be a high risk out there. So watch out for that. But like I said, go take a look at it. You may be interested. Maybe some money to be made in the short to long term. Guys, go check it out. Yeah, just go to Dogecoin on sol.net. Dogecoin on sol.net. Go check it out, guys. Yeah, it could be something. Check it out, guys. Go follow me on my Twitter. I appreciate it. We're getting pretty close to 14,000. I appreciate it. Let's go get it. Get it. I'll see you in the freaking next one, guys. Be blessed. Be well. I'm off to the grind, guys. I'll see you soon. Peace out.